The basic functionality that enables pulling from IPFS, creating smart contracts, and Desci Labs, Desci Nodes all into one environment. We can go ahead and input the ID for which Desci node we want to pull. And we can use the get dpid command in order to retrieve a Desci node research object. So we can see inside of these research objects that they have IPFS hashes to different content. Not all of them are going to be guaranteed to be live. So let us pretend that this a constant updated fetch was retrieved from a Desci node. And we can run IPFS get in order to display all the content from this research object. Now we can see this one pulled 5 different CIDs and arranged them all in a line. And if we're curious about a single one of them, we can run the IPFS cat command to fetch it from Julia. I see we got some different content. Let's also go perhaps to see what's inside this one. Now, looks like we got some Python code. What we can do as well, we can string this all together and ask ChatGPT-4 to provide a summary of the content of this Desci node. The CIDs. ChatStream will climb the DAG for everything that we connected to it. So for provenance sake, let's just connect that there. And use the ChatStream command to call ChatGPT-4 to provide a response to the text that we selected. Now while we're waiting, we can showcase Lilypad integration. And we can run Lilypad. And we can run Lilypad SDXL command to obsidian. We got the TXF. Now we're waiting for job completion. And while that's going, you can see here that ChatGPT-4 provided a summary of all the stuff and content that we got. Perfect. And we can use Kilo to use access the gateway command and see the output. Wonderful. Oh, we also can try to fetch the DAG from IPFS, but this is where the questions come into about Julia and Kubo delegation and why the web portal works and whatnot. Alright, so still bugs to be ironed out. That is a test of obsidian.